Good morning, everyone. I'm so glad to stand here to show my speech. Before my speech, I want to ask you a question. Would you prefer to be a boy or girl if you have a chance? For me, I will say a girl. I don't want to change my gender. Because boys always have to prefer so much. They if they feel scared about something, they will still say, "Oh no, I'm okay. I can do everything." But for a girl, if I want to cry, I can just cry, and if I'm happy, I can smile. When I am scared to something, I will call a boy for help. And I think to be a girl is to be happier. We don't need to think too much about our work. We can make up, dress our beautiful clothes, shopping with my sisters. I like beautiful clothes, and I think the most important thing for a girl is to make yourself beautiful. And I think to be a girl is very happy. I like to be a girl very much because I like have dates with my sisters. I like to talk very much, but if I am a boy, some people will think, "Oh, you are speak too much," but I am a girl. They will think I am very moving. So I will say I want to be a girl, and I never change my mind. I like to be a girl and enjoy the girl's life.